ask the question, okay, we know that insecure attachment, anxious attachment, avoidant attachment, we can see that these patterns of attachment are often associated with problems and grief. But why? Why is it? What's the underlying problem? And what they say is that the answer to this question, based on their own research and also on their review of many other studies, is that insecure attachment is a problem in dealing with loss because people who are insecurely attached have difficulties in managing their emotion. And so that linkage is illustrated very simply here. Insecure attachment is associated with problems in emotion regulation, and those problems in emotion regulation are likely to emerge when a person is coping with loss. So take anxiously attached grievers, for example.